Turkey deployed commandos to Kosovo on June 4 in response to a NATO request to join the alliance's KFOR peacekeeping force following unrest in the north of the country, the Turkish Defense Ministry said. In a statement on Saturday, the ministry called for restraint and constructive dialogue to resolve a crisis that it said could harm regional security and stability. The Commando Battalion of our 65th Mechanized Infantry Brigade stationed in Lulberges began their deployment to Kosovo, the ministry said after releasing footage of military plane leaving tarmac. A political crisis that has spiraled into violence in Kosovo's north has intensified since ethnic Albanian mayors took office in the region's Serb-majority area, which led the US and its allies to rebuke Pristina. The majority Serb population had boycotted the April election, allowing ethnic Albanians to be elected.